Hi, I'm B from Plan with Studio B16, and today we are doing a quick flip through of the black and white Happy Planner. It's a classic size 18-month one, and it says 2021 and 2022 on the cover, black with white triangles. Ooh, that is cool. So here we have the first page. And this planner is black and white with some gold accent stuff. Super simple. And just the gray shading on the perpetual calendar. And then we have the first divider for July, because this is a July 21 through to December 22 planner. We are never finished becoming who we truly are. And a simple currently page. The monthly is also just thin lines and no color, no designs anywhere. And the same is the weeklies, just super simple. That means you can create whatever you want on the pages and turn the planner into your whatever you want it to be. Lots of colors, no colors, switching out the colors with no colors. Do exactly what you want. And all of the weeks are the same and the months are the same. You have a little quote down here. Now and then, when you feel like quitting, think about why you started. So we can flip through the dividers. Good things take time. Oh, I like these. Say yes to adventure. You are enough. You something. I like these lettered, simple. Ooh, zebras. That's October. And November. Be okay with being yourself. And here we have some gold foil. And December, just these rainbow bows, but in black and white. Shine from inside. This is really nice. And I love the fact that this planner is completely black and white with some gold, because that means I can turn it into whatever I want it to be with all of my colors and stuff. Surrounded by love. This is the same as the inside of the cover. Say yes to it. This is the same as, when was that? As the September one, but with a black background and white text instead of the other way around. And we have May. Do something today that will impact all of your tomorrows. Believe in believing. That's June. Oh, there's oh my god. And I just like thought about the fact that black discs. So some random art. You can have no idea what you're doing and do it anyway. That's true. Gold foil. Ooh. And then we have the same as the front cover, outside of the cover. Yes, you definitely can do this. I love how simple this planner is. And neutral, so you never have to like cover up stuff to make it match or work with your spread. Yeah, your spreads. So that was the black and white 18-month planner from the Happy Planner. So until next time, stay safe and be kind.